told you so. Told you that I know these bones will rise again. Now my God decided that he would make him a man. Oh, will these bones will rise again? He took a handful of mud and a handful of sand. Oh, will these bones will rise again? Then he decided he would make him a woman too. Oh, will these bones will rise again? He didn't hardly know just what he wanted to do. Oh, will these bones will rise again? So he took him a rib from old Adam's side. Oh, will these bones will rise again? Then he chose Miss Eve just to be his bride. Oh, will these bones will rise again?
Then he put him in a garden, so rich and fair.
Oh, will these bones will rise again?
He said, children, you can have everything that's here.
Oh, will these